Mr. Speaker, so I wanted just to go on record. And Mr. Speaker, just to say that the reason why I mentioned Jubilee and I mentioned ODM is because the Bible says, to whom much is given, much is expected. Mr. Speaker, because it is us who are given more votes, the minorities, the marginalized, the corners of this country that gave us these votes that we lead, Mr. Speaker, expect much from us. And the Bible says in Luke chapter 6 that, Mr. Speaker, if you love those who only love you, what benefit is it to you, Mr. Speaker? I know, Mr. Speaker, a whole region, a whole part of the country is suffering. We must demonstrate our love as a Senate to find a lasting solution. And I have no doubt in my mind that reason will prevail.
Today, I want to start by dwelling a little on matters environmental health.